Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this device. You can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first method is to do it directly from the watch, and the second way to do it is via the phone app on the phone that is paired with your watch. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via the app. Okay, so first let's press the Start/Stop button to open the favorites menu. Now scroll down through the list. You should see the installed applications right here. As you can see, we have calculator, commute, and my car. Find the application you want to uninstall. Then press and hold the app/menu button. Once you select it, then scroll down and select the option called Delete App from Device. Press the Start/Stop button. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm, and the app will be uninstalled from our watch. And then we can press the back button to go back. Now, I'm gonna get my phone here and zoom out a little so you can see the screen. Like this. Oh. Like this. Then I'm going to open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. We can use either Garmin Connect or Garmin Connect IQ. I'm just gonna use for now Garmin Connect. Tap on the menu button to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select our Enduro 2. And here we have the activities and apps. Tap on it and we have the list of apps, and we have Math Calculator, My Car. I'm gonna tap on Math Calculator and I'm gonna tap on more options and then tap on Delete from Device to remove it from our watch, like this. And if you want to use IQ Store, Connect IQ Store, you can open it, tap on My Device, tap on My Device Apps, find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, tap on Uninstall button, like this, and it should be uninstalled from your watch. So when we open this favorites menu on our watch, the apps will be gone. And that's how you uninstall the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.